Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mujahidah, class 12 TKJB. In this video, I will configure SPF routing and block site YouTube on the firewall filter. Just go to the configuration. The first will create a IP address to handle connection between sending and receiving device over a network. Async Ether 2 as is the connect to on R2. I will do SPF routing on the one part of that area null because this is the backbone area. Then add the network that is connected to R2. If the instance selection name in the router ID selection 111, the router ID only names the router on one SPF. The redistribute default route selection if installed as tips 1 because they share routing table information with other router. Click apply then OK. Then add the IPDNS to request the IP address of the website based on the domain. Itu 8888 apply and OK. Add the network address station using Ether 1 because R1 connect directly to internet functions to translate private IP address to public IP so that they can connect to the internet. Then click the terminal to ping 88 and ping Google to check the internet connection. If the reply is then R1 is already connected to the internet. Next, will configure SPF area 0 and area 1 R2 by as Roman to enter the Winbox R2. The first one will create two IP addresses to handle the connection between the sending and the receiving device over the network by async Ether 2 towards R1 and Ether 3 towards N3. The second will do SPF routing when the R2 selection in area 0 or backbone and area 1. Area 1 ID-nya 0.0.0.1, area 0 ID-nya 00000 to indicate an SPF area. Then add to network connection to R1 backbone, R3 area 1. Then click instance in the router ID to area to prove in identity for a router and in the redistribute selection if installed as step 1 because if will provide a routing table to other routers. Then I will add IPDNS to translate a host name to the IP address that is the 8888 apply dan OK. Then IP firewall to add the network address transaction async Ether 2 with is connect to R1 to translate IP private to IP public. Then I will ping 88 and ping Google to check that the router is connect to the internet network. If it has reply, then the router is connect to the internet. Then we will configure SPF 1 router 3 with area 1. First, create two IP address async Ether 3, name R2 and the client as Ether 1. Then I will add IPDNS to translate host name the IP address 8888 apply dan OK. Firewall add network address translation async Ether 3 is connect to R2 to translate IP private to IP public so that can be connected to internet. The second will do OSPF routing when the R2 area 1 and area 0 atau area backbone. Area 1001, area 00000, terus klik apply dan oke. The network portions is at async area 1 connect to R2 yaitu 5555.0. Areanya area 1. Dan klik instant router ID-nya 3333 to provide the identity of router. Redistribute selection-nya if installed as step 1 because it provides routing tables to router. Distribute connect as step 1 to connect internal dan external routing protocol. Then I will ping 88 and ping Google to check that the router is connected to the internet network. Next, we will configure the YouTube block on the firewall filter. First, create a DHCP server for the client to automatically get IP address to the client async ether 1 because it's connected to the client. Then IP firewall, then it the as layer 7 protocol with the name youtube.com and enter the regex in the video. Apply dan okay. Then the filter lure enter the chainnya forward to process traffic that pass to the router. Protokolnya itu ICMP, advance-nya itu content www.youtube.com, and ICMP type-nya itu replay, action-nya itu drop, apply and okay. Then I will check the client asynchron and will youtube.com if like this the success in blocking YouTube. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Chainnya forward yaitu to process traffic that pass to the router. Kalau ICMP-nya protokol itu to notifikasi error that the client cannot be reached